Have you ever wondered how businesses predict future trends, or how healthcare professionals identify patterns in patient data? The answer lies in a complex but fascinating process known as data mining. In the next 8 minutes, we'll journey through the world of data mining, exploring its motivation, application, the kind of data it works on, and its functionalities. Our journey will be divided into 6 modules, each focusing on a different aspect of data mining. Module 1 will introduce us to data mining. We'll learn about its motivation, which lies in the need for businesses and organizations to understand and predict patterns based on large data sets. We'll also discover the applications of data mining, which range from customer relationship management to fraud detection and even healthcare. We'll delve into the kind of data mining works on, including relational databases, data warehouses, and transactional databases. Finally, we'll look at data mining functionalities such as characterization, discrimination, and association analysis. Moving on to Module 2, we'll focus on data preprocessing, a crucial step in the data mining process. Here, we'll learn about attribute types, which include nominal, binary, ordinal, and numeric. We'll also discover the importance of similarity and dissimilarity measures in data preprocessing. In Module 3, we delve deeper into data preprocessing, exploring data cleaning, data integration, data reduction, and data transformation. We'll also uncover the importance of discretization in data preprocessing. Module 4 takes us into the world of mining frequent patterns, where we'll explore basic algorithms for pattern mining. We'll learn about association rule mining, the Apriori algorithm, and the FP tree growth algorithm. We'll also touch on advanced pattern mining techniques. In Module 5, our focus shifts to clustering techniques, an essential part of data mining. We'll learn about partitioning algorithms, hierarchical algorithms, density-based algorithms, and grid-based algorithms. We'll also discover how to evaluate clustering and delve into outlier detection techniques. Finally, in Module 6, we'll look at applications and trends in data mining. We'll explore advanced techniques, web mining, web content mining, and structure mining. In summary, our journey through data mining will take us from understanding its motivation and application to exploring the various techniques used in the process. We'll delve into data preprocessing, pattern mining, clustering techniques, and finally, applications and trends in data mining. Remember, data mining is not just about uncovering patterns in data. It's about making sense of those patterns to predict future trends, improve customer relationships, and even enhance healthcare outcomes.